Hello, Apple enthusiasts. Are you having trouble with Apple Pay Later on your iPhone? If you're wondering how to fix Apple Pay Later not showing up on iPhone, you're not alone. Many users face this issue. Today, we're going to guide you through the steps to resolve it and get Apple Pay Later up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check device compatibility. The first thing to do is ensure that your device is compatible with Apple Pay Later. This feature requires iOS 16.0 or later, so check your software version. To do this, navigate to Settings, General, About, and look for the version number. If you're running a version earlier than iOS 16.0, you'll need to update your software. An updated device is essential for accessing the latest features and security updates. Step 2. Ensure Apple Pay setup. Next, verify that Apple Pay is set up correctly on your iPhone. Go to Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay to see if you've added any payment method. If not, follow the prompts to add a card. Remember, Apple Pay Later is available only in certain countries and regions, so check if it's supported in your location. Keep in mind that setting up Apple Pay is a prerequisite for using any of its associated features, including Apple Pay Later. Step 3. Confirm eligible card. Make sure that the card you've added is eligible for Apple Pay Later. Not all banks and card issuers support this feature yet. Contact your bank or check with their website to confirm compatibility. They may have specific requirements or restrictions you need to fulfill before using the service. Step 4. Update Apple Wallet app. If Apple Pay Later is still not showing up, ensure that your Apple Wallet app is up to date. Open the App Store, tap on Profile at the top right, check for pending updates, and update the Wallet app if necessary. An updated app ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, helping resolve many common issues. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes the simplest fixes are the most effective. Restarting your iPhone can resolve minor glitches. Press and hold the power button, slide to power off, and turn it back on after a few seconds. This refreshes your device's system and can help make features appear as they should. Step 6. Check for system glitches. If the problem persists, consider checking Apple's system status page. Apple financial services like Apple Pay can sometimes experience outages or technical difficulty. Visit Apple's system status webpage to see if there are any ongoing issues that might be affecting you. I hope these steps help you resolve the issue of how to fix Apple Pay Later not showing up on your iPhone. By checking compatibility, setting up Apple Pay correctly, ensuring card eligibility, updating your wallet app, restarting your device, and checking for system glitch, you should be able to access this convenient feature. Remember, Apple Pay Later allows you to manage payments with more flexibility, so ensuring it works on your device can significantly enhance your purchasing experience. If none of these solutions work, don't hesitate to contact Apple support for further assistance. Enjoy the seamless convenience of Apple Pay Later, and happy spending.